Today I'm going to be walking you through how to copy your course at the start of the year. So now that you've been working on your own course, one that you had selected down here, now it's time to actually move that course into the rollout course that Tech transferred over from Skyward. So you're going to go into the course that Tech had rolled over from Skyward for you. And once you're in that blank shell, if you click on People, you'll notice that you should have your students enrolled for the upcoming term. Once you verify that this, in fact, is that course, you should go down to Settings. And then on the right side, you're going to find an Import Course Content. Once you select that, you're going to drop down Copy a Canvas course. That'll kick out another drop-down, Search for a course. This is where you're going to search for the course you had been working on over the spring and summer. So for me, that was Online Health 2. This was the course I had created to start tinkering back in March, and now it's time to actually transfer that over into the live course for the summer. I'm going to select all content because I want to copy everything. If I wanted to, I could select specific content, and then once I hit import, I'd be prompted to select specific items. So for example, it tells me to select content. When I do that, it brings up a screen in which I can then select whatever content I want, and if I want to even specify further, I can do that. But like I said, I want to copy this entire course. So I'll select all of them. After I select all of them, I'll scroll all the way to the bottom, select content. It'll tell me that it is setting up or in queue, and then it will be running, and ultimately it'll say done. In which case I'll know that everything has been copied over and now is ready to be published for the new term. Now, depending on the size of the files, this may take longer than usual. So be patient. If there is an issue, generally they'll pop up with a red issue button, and if you click it, it'll give you what went wrong. Here we see that it's completed, and so if I select Home, I should see my Online Health 2 page pop up, indicating that, in fact, everything has transferred over. I could then further check by going to Modules, and we just want to verify that everything we anticipated coming over is, in fact, here, which it is. So that is a wonderful thing. Even the settings are the same. Everything should be identical to what it was when I was working on it over the spring and summer. So simple enough. So feel free to try that out. Should you get any issues, maybe screenshot or write down what the issues were so that Tech can best help you. You should be able to report any issues under the staff page on the website where it indicates help desk. So if you're on the website and you click on the staff tab, there should be an HD button or help desk button for you to report any tech issues that might come your way. So you just open a new ticket and you're on your way. So I hope that was informative and helpful, and good luck rolling over your courses for the start of the new term.